So here I am at home after a big day of trout fishing. It was a stellar day, as you will see. Went down to the Sugar River in New Glarus and had a good time. Caught some trout, took them over to my mom's and cooked them up for her since I wasn't able to spend Mother's Day with her. I made a little trout meal on the grill. It was very good, let me tell you. So anyways, there's some shots that I got, and I hope you enjoy them, or at least are a little impressed. Alright, have a good one, and enjoy. Howdy ho there, everybody. Chris Sweefel here. I'm in New Glarus and about to go trout fishing. The creek is looking pretty good actually this spring. Didn't flood, so that's a bonus. It's been quite a few years since we haven't had floods here, so anyways, I'll get some shots of the creek here and we'll post them on Facebook. Well, it's only been a few minutes since my last recording, and I lost a little trout, and I had a huge sucker on. That thing must have been about 17, 18 inches, and I was surprised because it bit like a trout. So, but anyways, getting back to it, hopefully I can show you some of the results later. Well, boys and girls, there's the huge sucker I was telling you about. Yeah, it wasn't 17, it's about 16 inches long. Gonna throw her back. So, trout like to snack on those. Bye. Well, here we are in New Glarus at the first bridge on the state trail. This brings back old memories. There's a veterinary clinic. Right down there where I caught my crawdads and stuck them in my aquarium tank, and they got out and got under Mom's bed. She wasn't too happy about that. Brings back old memories. Anyways, we're gonna head down the stream. I had to get across because there's some spots that I'd rather fish from this side. I'll be back. Okay, boys and girls. Oh, okay, boys and girls. There's my first trout. It's a pretty nice one. I don't know, it's probably about 16 inches. Woohoo! Later. There is number 2. Yeah, baby. I don't know, that's probably about 14. It's good to know that Sugar River is still healthy. Got some great trout in there.